Hi everyone, today we're unboxing the Jeridi ST6485 Professional Automotive Connector Kit. Perfect for car modders and technicians to achieve reliable wiring connections. It features DTP 2/4 pin and DTHD single pin connectors with size -12 solid nickel-plated terminals for 12 to 16 AWG wires, handling 25 a current. Use the wedge locks for secure contact retention. With IP67 rated seals and waterproof housing, it resists dust and moisture in engine bays. The snap-fit latch ensures quick, secure mating. Durable nylon PC housings withstand heat and impact. The closed barrel crimping and safe removal tool prevent wire damage during repairs. Make this tool your go-to companion for work. Here's to being more productive and less stressed every day. Catch you next time.